It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Anyway, you see the girl, them over there, me go. Now everybody can like a river, me money flow, cause me can't wash. Be like Jesus, sir. We say you dance, man, everybody just see eye. But if you want them no look, but if you no get it, you no get it. If you wanna buy it, you just be match it, and when you come out and you know everybody say you this. Wagwan, bro. You are on the streets, one read, bro.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 11 social media countdown. Now, I know say summertime, the heat box me, that's why I kind of dress up like this. But the next time you see me, I will be here sporting my shades in real summertime attire. So anyway, let's get into the social media countdown. Me know now wait, so
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 11, summer was my word. So this video I booked up on Twitter actually, and it featured a member of parliament. I hope I'm getting it correct. And she had a bit of a difficulty presenting because she couldn't really articulate a particular number. Is it articulate is the word? Me no know, pre.
Like 42 millions were awarded in New Providence. 669 loans were 7,040.
Oh, okay. I want a little one mistake. It happened to the best of us. Continue, yo. You can't get over it.
747. 700 millions were awarded. 7 million plus millions, were awarded.
One of my biggest fears is actually, not being able to figure out certain numbers. Like anything past like a million, I don't know how to pronounce it. Like, I pronounce it? I don't even know right about now, my brain just get discombobulated. What you thought about this videos, comment down below. Number 10, lost love. My word, my sentence. So, boy, I know I told you some time ago that I was not going to put Amari back on the countdown, but she reach here. Just because things of this nature, whether it be our cooking or not, it should not get so vulgar, the previous occasions. So, I feel like, she can, be featured on the countdown again. But this time is because she reunited with Gully Bop. And it's a good thing, so we get to see Gully Bop. Come there, I wonder, what happened to this man? Is this man local? Is he international? Where is he? Is he actually back in the gully like where some people did say? So, apparently she go visit him, she gave him some food, and they told him about her musical career.
Wow, we at it. Hello.
He always brags.
This is not brag. And this is not boast. This is the best treatment I get, and that's the most.
Lord God. I wonder what the other girls were doing.
Now, people, tell me why is Amari speaking like that?
The other girl?
It's just normal.
You were cheating.
When are you gonna stop? We're the ones who did cheat the girls.
Wow.
You should see the comments on YouTube. They are so wild. I mean, some people are like, I'm getting used to this song, boo hoo hoo, and some people are like, she can't sing.
No, maybe Amari can actually sing. Let me play an Amari song. Is there an Amari song we can play and we be the judge?
Might as well tell you,
You see it? As she says.
Oh, okay then, well, I feel that there is some potential. If you just move the vocals and leave the instrumental, I believe that we might have a hit. But let me know, Burritos, what do you think of seeing Amari and Gully Bop together again?
I mean, it doesn't even matter to me what they say.
Number 9, sweetest accent, me Akitri. So I saw this video on YouTube recently that featured a number of Caribbean people who were participating in this sort of study to see if the person beside them could actually pick up which island they're from or kind of like them lyrics. I don't know, but I thought it was pretty interesting, so check it out.
Hey, girl, you was a baker?
No, I can't bake.
Because that pot of cake looking hot and ready to slice.
I cannot have my own concern.
You can do whatever you want to me. This is great.
Browning. Mother breed, you're still enough.
Do we want to breed? You just go up to a chick and you say,
Yeah, it's what?
Auntie Kimayu.
I can't tell my you.
Auntie, come I like how you look.
Come I like how you look.
I like how you look, you know. I'm about to if you keep playing your cards, right? What, do you have a boyfriend?
No, that's why I'm here looking
Oh
new.
shit, we looked at like 2 other guys before me.
No, you want.
So if you want to watch the full video, I'm going to put it in the link down below. Pretty people. And now check out the first random video of the week.
Look how me eat. I go to the restaurant and when I get no food. Look on the rice. What them care about giving me? One lick of something, you know. One lick of something.
Number 8, traffic director. Me bubblegum slippers. What? So, you know, Jamaica will always beat the police officers. Any member of government or law in a society will always beat them bad. But not today. Today we're going to salute this brother who was in the middle of the traffic, the very hard, harsh streets of Jamaica, and he was directing traffic at a university level. I do not know if he previously worked as a choir director, but when I say this man coordination skills, they just turn up to the umpteenth power. Pre.
When police are walk. That's his style, what you mean? Yeah. Yeah, walk police, walk. Yeah. Like if I do one dance move. Yeah, walk, what you mean? Signal the plane.
Can you imagine this brother Agibon and I organize all them concubine them?
Yeah. Aye, that's a movement. Walk police. Yeah. What you mean? Yeah. Last time the police don't walk now.
I know what's so funny. It's not him alone, you know. He's the Jamaican representative, but internationally, we have people who extra on them job. Just pray. So let me know, burritos, what do you think of this video? Number 7, Trini versus JA. So, you know, so the Gold Cup and all of these things are going on to cover social media. So this particular video, I know that you said Trinidad versus Jamaica. I don't already get excited because I do not know why Trinidadians them love to go up against Jamaicans them and Jamaicans them just love to in a competition with the Trinidadians. I do not know. But this competition now is about soccer. And not just regular soccer, it's a little game that they were playing. You know, for the Gold Cup series, for show off them head skills. Nah, I don't really think that sound too right. For show off their forehead, their circumferential forehead connectivity to a rubbish bin. I think that's it. So first up, we have Trinidad. Let's see if them can do it.
Good shot. Yeah. Good shot. Yeah. Wow. We want more than that. We want more than that. Guys, come here. We're not giving it away. We're not
Alright, them do them thing. Yeah, alright, Jamaica, you see what you have to compete against. You see how much time they had to try. Do your thing.
Ready. Alright, I'm getting that in. You know, say
Well, wow, Jamaica, congratulations, y'all did it. Big up TNT same way. Number 6, Bunting hunting. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So, if you are living under a rock, let me just tell you, Peter Bunting is our challenging Peter Phillips, leader of the People's National Party.
Wow.
So, you know, what if momentum and all kind of excitement is are in the air. People are trying to wonder like, yo, who are going to take over, who the delegate gets them, are going to decide. So, Peter Bunting now decides that he is going to take over social media to give Mr. Phillips some competition. And this is what he did.
But in the midst of all his enemies, try you keep me firm as bad mind and jealousy just get me feet. Try you keep me firm and strong. Give me the energy we need. Try you keep me firm and strong. And only keep winning my enemies. Try you keep me firm and strong. I
never really like the volume of the song with them. It's just too loud, and so I think I'm gonna just change around and try some other songs and see if it work better. And then I think there was this video with some young people that show him how to move. But to me, you know what actually hard to get the cake was this moment where them have some PNP meeting in some constituency RC, and this brother who just big, bad and bold go right up in front of Peter Bunting face and show shade, just a maxim left, right and center. So.
I don't know about in Manchester or other place. When we give something to somebody, I don't think it's good discipline or practice to talk about.
Let me know what you think about Peter Bunting challenging Peter Phillips. Comment down below. Number 5, Governor governs. May uterine lining. So recently, Governor posted this message to his page. It read, received this disturbing message from a female last night and I have to address it. Ladies, be very careful. Let nobody tell you to meet them nowhere pretending to be governor. ... I have only one Facebook page, hashtag Governor Jenna, and I am not active on it, ellipsis. And remember, technology advanced now. One video call to make sure a person is who they say they are, ellipsis. Please be very careful, ladies. And to the boy them who do this, stop it, hombre. Stop it, dog. Exclamation, exclamation, exclamation. A true one don't even know you. So now, let me read what the girl said.
I was texting your page on Facebook thinking it was you and convinced it was you because I have a huge crush on you. I went to meet up thinking it was you who really was meeting. Left my home in Mandeville.
No, people, ignore the fact somebody that read it like that. But I have to urge young ladies out there, be very careful. Number 4, toast God, I tell. You know what? I not even hard going to her say any box foot thing, but this video, people, when me tell you I see this video, and immediately I feel like more enroll myself, go into one dance class. I see them brother here. And the first time I see them video, I go viral, you know. But it's look like them have like a style where them just do for them like a choreography, but it's not the choreography we really set it off, you know. It's the vibe and the whole mood, and they have a certain flair that just make the movements connect with people. And this video make Toast feel like it want to re-enter the reggae charts and just take over number 1 once more. Preed people. Catch it. In a linga. Hey. Alright. But let me know, burritos, have you tried this choreography yet? Comment down below and tell me now.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Before the girls them sexy and young. Run along. Sing along. Well then, pick up the pen.
So first up, people, I forgot telling you that Sprinter will now be in Jamaican theaters. This is the date. Make sure you go and check it out. We have to support Ellie D. Harviner. So, you know, last week I mentioned about the Jamaican celebrities that visit Jamaica. So let me just say that now Amari and Reach. Amari and him family, they visited here, tried some coconut, enjoyed the little sunshine and all of these things. Not only that, you know, but you know, one of my YouTube inspirations, King Batch, he was actually here as well as part of Rujan Foundation. Keeping the celebrity momentum going, I forgot, you know, big up my girl CC Ciara for getting her groove onto some reggae music while they at a private party. Also, I have to go and big up the winners of the gaffe speech competition, and in particular, I have to big up Caleb, big up yourself and winning that $500,000 for your movie. And yes, people, I forgot to tell you about a new production by Barracks Entertainment called Ananda Alert.
You cannot miss Ananda Alert, showing at the Barracks Theatre.
And I guess this is another one of your friends.
Give her 3 more months and he will be your next stepfather.
Must you really stoop so low?
Then where the lie there? You there with different man when you start with every letter of the alphabet. Albert, Bobby, Carlos,
And also I have to go and big up fellow social media personality Raul Blaze on having a stand-up special. It is called Laugh and Pop Up. I know, let me just go jump to me now. So recently I had the privilege of going back to my 2 alma mater. So I had to go back to Jesse Ripple Primary School to talk to the grade 4 for their alumni day.
Jesse Ripple. Energy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I know I can. Be where I want to be. Be where I want to be. If I work hard at it. If I work hard at it. I'll be where I want to be. I'll be where I want to be. Thank you very much.
Number 3, big belly blessings. Megungo peas. The Star recently put out an article that basically said that women prefer men with bigger guts. No.
Walk out, sky juice, I know your daddy.
All I have to say right now is me never bother one go gym again. Anyway, so this is what the article said. Having a big belly is something that is often associated with rich men, and according to a study commissioned by Planet Fitness, there has been greater acceptance of dad bods in recent years. The study also said that 61% of women in America find the less toned male physique a lot sexier. Wow. However, this was not the view among some people in downtown Kingston. Why them always go downtown to get people reaction like them represent the whole of Jamaica?
Well, my belly big enough, so me would take a man with a big belly. Me rather the man them with a nice 6-pack, the sexy 6-pack.
Tell you the truth, I prefer the flat belly man them. Big belly, I don't like big belly man. Them belly have to cover over them too much.
Flat belly man, me have big belly man, them big and worthless like I be a leggings they give them. Cause them no good.
Me love my big belly man. Love, 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 love the big belly.
She love him because she take away every cent to him of him big and worthless where big belly man can do.
So what I need to find out from you Berridas, do you feel say big belly is in? You would have worked with a big gut man? Comment down below. Number 2, mackerel drives. My uncle Jawbone. Me don't know how mackerel just end up as Jim Screechy our way pan me countdown every week about commendations and kudos to you. So this time now she was in a car in the passenger seat and everything I go on and them a build up one like a vibe. She a freestyle her like a song when out of nowhere.
Jesus Christ.
No, you see, all of them something there. If one of my friends did ever set me up like this, because me believe say that them do, because no, them know so them they gonna draw bricks. They make sure say take out the phone and have it because they know what them they gonna do to mackerel. Them know how them they gonna set up mackerel and mackerel well up there. Cock up our foot pan dashboard and enjoy life festive and all of these things. Only if you should get a big hole hell of a slam dunk. You know, we don't like have this awful habit. Every time I see somebody type of drop, I find it funny. Like, I just can't help but laugh. But mackerel, I just hope you're alright, okay? Berridas, let me know what was your first reaction when you saw this video. Comment down below. And number 1 goes to photograph my SMI biblioteca. So ding dong, Mr. Raven Boss, Mr. Good Things Them, Mr. Siva, Mr. Fling Your Shoulder, and all of these are things. He's now a married man.
Wish to marry. Of course.
So it seems to be a very celebrity star-studded wedding. First up, me did say Ramesh put up one video, put up one picture with him and Ding Dong in a one car. But true, me know how Ramesh entertainment, social media, pranking thing kind of set. Me did just there like, boy, I want new music video that for Ding Dong. I probably all bro video that them a shoot and have a wedding scene. Me know, you can't really, trust for them type of things. Down to when I see the first picture of them like on the altar or whatever, in my mind, see me, yeah man, me nah fall for this man. Between Ramesh Entertainment and Spice, me nah fall for music video. Nah fall for me, man. Hey.
So you're part with me? Shh, look here, look at me, look at my eye there.
Yeah.
Anything you ask for, you get. Say you want fireworks, fireworks you get. And you know how it's going.
Only for to see everybody there, I say, boy, I really want big budget music video, this and that. All when I see all like people, all when I see Safari, I say, wow, it look like them a shoot for Muscle Love and hip hop and all kind of something. I still not trust the situation. But apparently, no, me have to just relinquish all of them doubts there and just accept it. Ding Dong is now a married man to his lovely wife named Shauna. Yeah man, Shauna stay good and all kind of things. They look for her, say one good girl. So she the type of woman when them come home, she'll, roll up some dumpling theme and, them look something there, she look like she have them little settings there. Like she born in a little ghetto, so she know the little ghetto flex them, but still she have little, she can read and write and them little something, for little scrubsy, and, walk around and parade like a hot girl, but deep down inside, she still have the little ackee and selfish vibes about her. Yeah, man.
You have to have the good wife them, the good clothes and the good shoes them, the I-dos and the good rings them, and if you shopping at the mall at the good store, you know see Sean and me wife are the good type them. The chicken that does the good wife them, pretty face with the good shape them.
Well, that's it, Berritos. Thank you so much for watching another Dutty Berry Top 10 Social Media Countdown. No, I should actually correct it and say it was a Top 11 Countdown. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Big up all the people who are watching this live premiering on YouTube. Big up on yourself. Let me tell you from now, please go give me a thumbs up. Hit the like button. I'm tired out now, watch it now. It's like if you're not bad at don't do it. Hit the like button. And also to leave a comment to let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. As well as to share the video. Share the video with a friend, a family member. Big up all the persons who voted for the social media awards Sumfest competition. The voting closed now. The award show is going to be on the 29th. I think I'm going to be there, and so I'll try to do a vlog and show how that experience what that experience is going to be like. Well, that is it, people. Take care. Oh, may I forget something? If you want to book me, email me for hosting or whatever, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com right here. So follow me on my social media pages, on Twitter especially, @DuttyBerryShow. Instagram is the same thing, and on Facebook as well. So take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey.